Okay, guys,
I'm not
we are
sure how to
back
get at
at it with TNXP. Came in for a massive bull run from the lows of 12 cents all the way up to the highs of 57 cents. We caught this thing down from the very bottom. Back on the dates of 11/20, back when we were putting out the early alerts, Coach Prim was saying to get in there, that saying that they were going to be coming in for some phase 3 results. You did not want to miss out on this. Coming out with multiple updates from multiple coaches in multiple sections. I would even make an early video as a reminder saying to get in TNXP back on 11/20/2024, 10:46 a.m. You could have been into the safe, easy, early seat. Looking forward to that next round of the bullish divergence. And right now, with an average volume of 36.53 million, this current stock has a volume of one. This stock currently has a volume of 1.13 billion. This is marking a key moment as this thing is hitting a key height right here because it is 50 cents. If you see this 50 cents, let me scroll back some on TNXP. You can see that this is the big resistance, exactly the point where it's sold off from, where they want to come in for the heaviest of short sale attacks on TNXP. A spike past this 50 cents means a spike up towards about 80 cents right under that dollar. If they can break that right there, that dollar and beyond is to come. And get this on TNXP. They even got more gaps to fill onto the way up. Not to say this thing just finna skyrocket all the way up to a couple $100 because this a health stock. So if it doesn't do what it got to do pretty fast, then a lot of people are going to start to lose hope. And you already know that those swing traders and day traders, they be ready to lock in gains. That's why we see all these different red bars coming all in between, and make sure that you keep up with the flow on these stocks. Right now, while this stock is touching up towards overbought and dangerous on your overall RSI, it's beginning to make the next round of the bearish divergence. You're going to get some people who want to lock in gains. Very good that this is happening right now towards the after hours, though, because since it's the after hours, you're going to get more people who be looking forward to the next bullish divergence and bull run into the after hours. That's why they're buying this up right now from those of 47 cents up to 52 cents. We can go see more about TNXP over on your Moo investing platform, and you'll be able to see more on your capital trends section. This is vital right here to be able to see in the after hours. And I'll take you to Moo to be able to see this. So you don't have to be looking on Webull, as Webull is a bit out of date. Okay, and check this out. So when you got Webull over here, how I was saying you got the extra large $1 million orders going all out of here and whatnot. If you go back to Moo now, you can see that you actually have extra large orders that are rushing in here right now towards the after hours, which is a great time too. This is a lot of new information, I know, and it's overwhelming to a lot of people. But if you find this these videos helpful, you seeing this on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, wherever you at with it, get this video a like, share this thing out somewhere. This is knowledge that changes lives. And welcome anybody joining in on the classroom. Currently doing an update on TNXP stock going to the moon. Okay, we talking about price ranges and whatnot. But check this out. So currently on TNXP. This isn't massive, or you'll be able to see this easier on Webull. You can check Webull out for your short interest over here, and it's not massive in the short interest. So this is like a huge, massive short squeeze potential target coming in. You know, it can be updated, I guess, because this thing really ain't don't not looking up to. In fact, we can probably see this on Fintel. Check this out. You know, for any of you guys who are all new to the market, you can always go ahead over on to your Fintel over here, and then you'll be able to type in the stock up here. Let's see if we can type in TNXP. I just did this on ACHR. And then you'll be able to see they update on the short interest. Let's go see this thing big in those daily shorts and whatnot today. So look at this. Look at this. Yeah, this is exactly what we wanted to see. So notice here at the beginning of the day where your short shares available. Oh yeah, and this is updated all throughout the day. It's like the intro throughout the intraday and whatnot. It's 3 p.m. now. But starting out with big short interest. Notice that your short interest gets smaller and smaller and smaller all throughout the day. Coming up to the point where right now the short shares available are 3,300,000. We could watch that decrease or increase depending on which way the stock actually goes. You know, we want to see, when you're looking for a short squeeze to be coming in, you want it to be heavy and short. So the heavier it gets in shorts, and starts to build support up there. Once the stock goes up higher and higher, those shorts really get nervous and want to cover those shares. A lot of these people who were big and short interest over the course of the last few months, as you can see from like September, this is big and short interest, they were covering up their shares gradually over the course of time. Check this out. You get gradual short covering. Yeah, if you ever on Webull, you can just push your reset button down here and it takes you right back to the end. For anybody who didn't know that, you look back on your charts and whatnot as the stock continues to climb up. Those be short. Those be a lot of short covering in between, and you'll be watching your short interest get smaller and smaller because sometimes they don't just come in for like an instant short squeeze because they don't gotta cover their shares, they don't really want to. They'll as the stock gets worn up and they lose confidence, then they'll cover over the course of time and days, and then that'll eventually end up triggering a short squeeze once all the rest of them get scared and got to squeeze in there to get it filled. Well, we probably won't be watching this type of volume pick up like this tomorrow. Right now, with a volume of 1.14 billion on here, these are rare cases. So I don't even remember the last stocks. FFIE Mullen got up to those points and stuff like that. But this is crazy right here on TNXP. Big rally on it. So we're gonna look at it tomorrow morning. We're gonna update this. They probably gonna be dropping some news. Getting 1.114 billion in volume. They probably be dropping some news here pretty soon. So if they do, I'll update that as well. I'll see y'all next one there. Happy trade.